In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumroad account and sell your first product. We'll start right from the beginning with creating your account. Head over to the Gumroad sign up page. On the screen, you'll see options to sign up using platforms like Facebook, Google, or X. If you prefer using one of those, simply click the relevant button and follow the prompts to connect your account. If you'd rather sign up with email, click into the email field and type in the email address you want to use for Gumroad. Make sure it's an address you check often, because this is where important notifications and customer receipts will go. Next, click into the password field and create a strong password that you'll remember. Once your email and password are in, click on the Create Account button. After a moment, you'll be taken inside your Gumroad dashboard. From here, look for the Products option and click on it. This is where you'll manage everything you sell. On the Products page, click on New Product. A setup window will open. First, type in the name of your product. Choose something clear and descriptive so customers immediately understand what they're getting. Below that, select the type of product you're selling. Gumroad supports digital products, courses or tutorials, ebooks, memberships, and bundles. Pick the option that best matches what you're offering. Then choose your currency from the drop-down menu and enter the price in the field next to it. When you're happy with that, click on Next, Customize. Now you're on the customization page. Start by clicking into the description field and writing a clear, friendly description that explains what your product is, who it's for, and what outcome it helps them achieve. Then move to the URL field and add a simple, memorable link slug for your product page. In the cover section, click on the option to upload images or videos and add a main cover for your product. This is the first visual people will see, so choose something eye-catching. Then, in the thumbnail section, click Upload to add a smaller image that will appear in listings. Scroll down to the Product Info section. Here, choose your call to action text from the drop-down, such as buy this or get this, and then type a short summary that highlights the key benefit of your product. In the additional details section, you can click on Add Details to include extra information if you like. Then, in the integration section, decide whether you want to invite customers into communities or tools like Circle or Discord when they purchase. Next is the pricing section. Here, you can refine your pricing options, for example, by allowing customers to pay what they want or to pay in installments. After that, in the version section, you can click on Add Version if you want different tiers, like a standard version and a VIP version with more features. In the settings section, you'll see a range of toggles. This is where you can limit product sales to a certain number, let customers choose a quantity, show the number of sales publicly on your product page, and adjust other options to match your strategy. At the top of the page, click on the Content tab. This is where you upload or add the actual files, links, or material that customers will receive after purchasing. Take your time to make sure everything they need is included. Then click on the Receipt tab. Here, you can customize the button text that appears on the receipt page and add a custom message to thank your customers, give them next steps, or share support information. Once everything looks good, click on Publish and continue. Gumroad will walk you through the final steps of publishing your product, which are straightforward. After that, your product is live and ready to sell. You've created your Gumroad account and set up your